THISWORX car vacuum cleaner. Portable, high-power, handheld vacuums with 3 attachments, 16 featuring cord and bag, 12V, auto accessories kit for interior detailing, black. Practical, a mini vacuum for car or truck that is compact, lightweight, 2.4 pounds, and easy to use. The large dustbin capacity is ready for ash, dust, or drive-through food spills. A fully loaded interior car detailing kit housed in an ergonomic design. Effective, made for on-the-go use and to solve out-of-reach problems. A very sandy day at the beach? A coat of dog hair? The portable vacuum cleaner for car is designed to solve problems. Powerful, the cyclonic force and strong suction of the 106W motor will terminate any dirt or debris. Say goodbye to hard-to-reach crumbs stuck under the driver's seat. Our mini car vacuum even has a top-of-the-line washable HEPA filter. Click link for more details.